microwave transformer Jacob's ladder. But instead of taking a stick and starting it every time, use the motor from the turntable to start it for you. Turntable motor, screw on the end. That one was weak.
Yeah. You know what I want to have? See, this is what I want to do. Oh yeah. I have one up in California. We have the best fucking. Yeah, and did you do all girls? Or did you do all girls? We did all girls. But I mean, I was single, so I mean, you know, whatever. But I told him, I said, would you? And he's like, yeah. And I brought stuff out. Oh yeah, yeah. Wouldn't that be fun? Oh god, it's so much fun. I don't know how to look up here. It's like, well, I have that's what I have. Right, yeah, that's what they call them. Yeah. And I got this little thing.
There we go. Yep. The motor for the rotating plate. The screw on the end of a mini blind rod. So then you can adjust it in and out so it hits just right. But you can only let it run for so long because that transformer starts to get hot. I can already smell it. So there you go. Instead of starting it with a stick every time, but you can only let it go for so long, use the motor from the plate.